Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today we are making my DIY mirrored nightstands. Okay, I am so obsessed with mirrored furniture, you guys. It is gorgeous, but it is so expensive. So of course I had to DIY it, and I'm sharing all my hacks with you guys on how to transform any like old furniture or thrifted furniture with just like a few supplies into these gorgeous, fancy, elegant mirrored nightstands. And I think they just totally transformed the space. I'm obsessed with how they turned out. They're so elegant and gorgeous. And I added like the cheap crystal knobs from Amazon that just totally complete the look. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos, and I love you forever and ever. I literally just did like a complete makeover on these ugly old brown nightstands I had in college like a bazillion years ago. They're super cheap, they're just like plain and ugly, and if you guys know me, they're just totally not my aesthetic. They don't match anything in my house. And then since I did this DIY tufted crystal headboard, I had to do like a DIY nightstand makeover to match them to complete the look, and I'm so happy with how it turned out, you guys. I like love my room now. And I was just curious like how much mirrored nightstands that kind of looked like this would cost, so I went on Amazon and I found really similar ones for $175 a piece, you guys. No, that was not happening. So like all my little hacks, a few simple supplies, and you can get a DIY version that literally I think looks just as good, if not better. They came out so perfect and professional looking. Okay, so we start with spray painting the nightstands, and as always, I'll leave my favorite spray paint and all the details and links to everything I use down below for you guys. But I wanna know, so I had a hard time deciding if I wanted to go with like the mirrored furniture or the golden marble aesthetic that I've done a few other DIYs with. So leave a comment down below letting me know. Do you like the mirrored look or do you like the golden marble look better? Let me know. Okay, so we're at Lowe's. And I measured my nightstands, so here you can buy mirror and they cut it to size for you. And we're gonna get the spray paint and the mirror glue and all the goods. Here we go. Okay, so we're in the glass and mirror cutting section, and I just told her all the dimensions I need for the mirror, so she's about to cut them right in here. And after they cut it, the edges are gonna be really sharp and jagged, so make sure you either sand it down with some sandpaper. I ended up taking it into a glass and mirror shop to have them professionally polish the edges for about $5 a piece. And this is a really important step so you don't cut yourself on the sharp edges of the mirror and it ends up looking super professional in the end. Then the fun part, we get to spray paint the nightstands. I had my husband do this for me, but this spray paint actually worked so well. It totally covered all the brown of my nightstands in like one coat. Just make sure you get every surface that the mirror is not gonna cover, and then just go ahead and let them dry at least overnight. To glue on your mirrors, we're gonna need some mirror marble and granite glue. I got this at Lowe's. And then you're just gonna pop it right into a caulk gun and then just squeeze the glue right onto the surface of your nightstands. Then we go ahead and take our mirror pieces and put them right on top, and then I use some clamps to clamp the mirror down. And there you go. This is actually like really easy. You're gonna go ahead and do this to every surface that you're gonna cover in mirror. And I went ahead and split this up into a few days. So I did the top one day, I let it dry, and then the next day I flipped it over on its side and did one side. I did the next side another day, and then the front. This is because the glue needs at least 24 to 48 hours to dry, so the mirrors really stay on there nice and tight. And just make sure you're using some heavy weights or clamps to really get the mirrors on there nice and tight so they don't lift up as the glue dries. Once the glue has fully set and dried, you can go ahead and take them inside. I use some Windex just to clean off the mirrors, and then we add the finishing touches. I got these crystal knobs on Amazon for so cheap, you guys, and they're so elegant and beautiful. Just take a ruler and a Sharpie and mark exactly where you want your knobs to be, and then just put a little E6000 glue and glue your knobs right into place. Then once the glue dries, just put your nightstands in place and you can style them just however you like. I just put an old lamp, a candle, and some flowers on top to really make them pretty. And these are fully functional. The knobs or the mirrors are not gonna come off. So voila, here they are, the finished product, you guys. I am so happy with how they turned out. I think they look so legit, so elegant and fancy, and like nobody would know you've DIY'd this because they look so profesh, and they go perfect with my DIY crystal tufted headboard. I can't wait for my husband to get home and like see everything put together. He hasn't seen like the final product all put together in our bedroom yet, so I'm so excited for him to get home. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to go follow me on social media at @TheLindsay and tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this project. And if you guys liked this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it, and go check out my DIY crystal tufted headboard video, because if you liked this one, you are going to love that video too. So there you have my DIY mirrored nightstands. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. I don't think I've ever seen anything more beautiful in my life than my DIY mirrored nightstands. You guys, this week's YouTube video is like a makeover of these ugly old brown nightstands I got in college like a zillion years ago, and I added crystal knobs and mirrors, and they're beautiful. So legit.